Slick full of pass on the flow. Tell a bitch steady, go ahead and break it down low. Thoughts fast moving like they on speed dial. And I tell you that I wanna take your clothes off slow. Bad bitch, look articulated. Said you coming fast, but you never made it. Said move that ass down low. Let me see shit never show. Damn nigga, I walk past like your last. Like to see you moving fast. Take a break up on the grass. Can't take that shit, don't make it last. Come along with a song, take you to a place to help you make a K. No stop, don't talk, no shit to say. If you be thinking this the end, you better change that mind again. Fuck nigga for a day. Fucking his bitch and he watch far away. Playing around from the bush at the bay.
What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today we will be installing a front lip on my Lexus IS350. So let's get this going. Alright guys, so I kind of already have mine mounted on the car. Well, it's not really mounted, I just put it on there and it just fit on there. But it's not screwed on there yet. But yeah, first thing you want to do, just put it on there. Just hang it on whatever way you can. But damn, look how low that looks. Well, I give it about a month. Alright guys, these are the tools that I used. I used the drill with a drill bit that's smaller than the screws that you are using. I also use my screw gun, where you could just get a Phillips bit and use that with that. And I used my ratchet with my with this 3/8 Phillips. I found it easier to use this in those tight spots. You don't need to, but if you have it, then use it. But I just thought I'd show you in the video. Also, you don't need a drill. You don't need a drill bit either. I just found it easier to make a hole as a starting point, so I won't have to ram the screw in there and move it around, because it's just gonna move around and be a little harder. So I just found that easier. And these 4 screws came with the lip, and I just got 2 extra screws just cause. This is the double-sided tape that I will be using. If you could get the skinny one, I would recommend that one. And just some scissors to cut the tape. So I pretty much already mounted the lip on there already. I didn't get it on camera because my battery died. But it's pretty simple, it's not so hard. What I did is I pretty much just drilled a hole where I wanted the screw to go. Any drill bit is fine, as long as it's thinner than the screw, because if you get one that's bigger than the screw, then it's gonna not fit and not get on there good. It's pretty much a good starting point. That way you're not just ramming the screw in there. It's gonna just be moving around and everything. It's kind of hard. And then all you pretty much do is get your screw bit and just drill it on there. Alright, after you pretty much put it on there, you're gonna want to see where you're gonna want to put your screws. I'll show you guys where I put my screws. I pretty much just put 6 screws. I put one right here. I didn't really matter about putting them in the front because they're barely noticeable. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but I didn't really care, and I feel like it mounts on a lot better. The other 2 are right here on the side, and the other 2 are over here. I'm about to take it off, so ignore that. I did find it easier if you're pretty much gonna have to turn the wheel that way so you can get more room to screw these on here. I pretty much just use my screw gun for this. Also recommend another person to help you. That way one person could hold it up to where you like it, and then you can just drill the hole or ram the screw in there so it could position itself better. Is it really better that way? Alright guys, so it has been a couple of days since I installed. Actually, it's been a week. It's been a whole week since I have installed the front lip, and it is still in one piece so far. I'm gonna take it off today and put some actual tape all around it just to secure it a little more. Alright guys, so this is a couple days of damage already, just from driveways, a couple scrapes, no cracks so far that I see, so that's a good sign. So before you put the tape, double-sided tape on, you're gonna want to clean the surface. So you pretty much just want to tape all right here, all around to right here. after you clean the surface, you should be ready for some double-sided tape. I just use some degreaser and a microfiber rag. But if you have rubbing alcohol, that would work way better since it dries really fast. This takes forever to dry. Well, not forever, but it takes a while. So yeah. Guys, do not forget to clean the surface you are going to mount the lip on. So just clean all that surface. This is the tape job that I did. Not the best, and I ran out of tape right there. So I just did those segments and fold it up all the way over here. So just start here and over here and finish over here, just in case you don't have enough tape like me. But yeah, once you got your tape on and your surface clean on the bumper, you are ready to install the lip once again. Alright guys, what I like to do is like to barely peel it, then stick it with some tape. That way once I get it on, I peel this tape off and the whole thing will come off. So that's pretty much it on the install. Just double side tape and those 6 screws and you're good to go. Then I record the rest of me taking the tape off because kind of no point. So you just pretty much strip the backing of the tape and you just put some pressure on it to apply it on there and you should be good. Alright, so here's how the front lip looks like installed. It looks pretty good. I'll probably end up painting it later. I don't know. This setup is just temporary, so I don't know if I'm gonna get too crazy with it because I will be doing another bumper. So stay tuned for that, guys. Nah, not soon though. So I have this look for now, just temporary, just a little something to have, you know. Now let's see how it gets out of my front driveway. So that's pretty much all for the front lip, and I'm gonna have more content for you guys soon. And I have this part, but it's gonna take a while to get here, sadly, but it's gonna be pretty big, and I can't wait for it. It's gonna make the car look really nice. So stay tuned for that, guys, and thank you guys for watching.